Have you ever been in a group chat or meeting where everyone agrees on something, but you don't? Deep down in your mind, you want to speak, but something in your head says, keep quiet, don't cause trouble. You see that feeling right there when keeping quiet feels safer than speaking is what we call the spiral of silence. The spiral of silence is a communication theory developed by Elizabeth Noeli Newman. It's a powerful idea that explains why people stay silent when they observe that their opinion is in the minority. We all fear isolation. We fear being rejected. Everyone wants acceptance. So when people observe that their opinion might make them look unpopular or invite backlash, they stay quiet. And the more people stay silent, the more stronger and powerful the dominant voice becomes. And the silence keeps spiraling until it looks like everyone agrees, even when they don't. Think about a class or an office meeting where a boss makes a point and everyone seems to accept. Then he asks, any question or contrary opinion? You notice someone wants to speak, but they hesitate. And every other person in the room nods quietly. Not because they agree, but no one wants to be the first to cause a scene. People observe their environment, observe where the majority opinion falls, and choose silence to protect themselves. We saw a bigger version of this during the early days of the NSAS movement. Many Nigerians felt that police brutality was wrong, especially the young people. Young men were stopped, humiliated by the Special Anti-Robbery Squad for simply wearing earrings, dreadlocks, using expensive phones or cars. They were labeled as fraudsters. Many people were afraid to speak out publicly at first. People were afraid of losing their jobs. They were afraid of being profiled or being attacked, either online or offline. But as people began to voice out, others found the courage to speak out too. Public opinion began to shift as the silence breaks. That tells us that when people keep quiet, it doesn't mean that they don't care. They are only waiting for safety in numbers. When people keep quiet, it does not mean they consent. They are waiting for safety in numbers. Now, let's bring this home to social media. You see those viral posts where people argue about issues like, is it okay for a woman to pay bills in marriage? Is it okay for a woman to propose marriage to a man first? You notice that some people just keep quiet. Not because they don't have an opinion, but they don't want to be labeled or misunderstood or called names. People keep quiet, and the more they stay quiet, the dominant voice becomes the loudest, and it looks like every other person does not have opinion. So the spiral of silence reminds us that public opinion isn't always what it seems. It's just that at the loudest side has fewer people silent. So when next you decide to hold back your opinion, ask yourself, do you truly agree, or you are afraid of being the only one speaking up? Please like, comment and share this video, and this time don't stay silent.